Activity 1.7 Class 10 Science. Electrolysis of water. Caution. This activity needs the teacher's assistance. Activity 1. Take a plastic mug. Drill 2 holes at its base and fit rubber stoppers in these holes. 2. Insert carbon electrodes in these rubber stoppers. 3. Connect these electrodes to a 6-volt battery. 4. Fill the mug with water such that the electrodes are immersed. Add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to the water. 5. Take 2 test tubes filled with water and invert them over the 2 carbon electrodes. 6. Switch on the current and leave the apparatus undisturbed for some time. 7. You will observe the formation of bubbles at both electrodes. These bubbles displace water in the test tubes. 8. Is the volume of the gas collected the same in both test tubes? 9. Once the test tubes are filled with the respective gases, remove them carefully. 10. Test these gases one by one by bringing a burning candle close to the mouth of the test tube. Observation. Bubbles of gases appear above the electrodes in both test tubes. When a burning candle is brought near test tube A, containing H2 gas, it burns with a popping sound and extinguishes. When the burning candle is brought near test B, containing O2 gas, it burns more brightly. Conclusion. The bubbles produced by the passing current are hydrogen and oxygen gases which are formed by the decomposition of water on the passing electric current. 2H2O, I, right pointing arrow to H2 grams plus O2 grams. The volume of hydrogen collected will be twice the volume of oxygen. Frequently asked questions. 1. Which acid has been used in this activity? Ans. Sulfuric acid. 2. Name the reaction that takes place in this activity. Ans. Decomposition reaction, electrolysis. 3. Name the gases produced in the test tubes. Ans. Hydrogen and oxygen. 4. Which gas is present in the test tube in a large amount? Ans. Hydrogen. 5. Why is sulfuric acid added to water in Activity 1.7, Class 10 Science? Ans. Pure water doesn't conduct electricity more efficiently. When sulfuric acid is added to water, it breaks down into ions, hydrogen and sulfate ions, which increases the conductivity of electricity in the water.